On the fourth day of the Sing and Learn Chinese Singing in Chengdu Global Youth Study Camp, young people from around the world continue to experience a fusion of music and culture in Chengdu. Here, singing is not only an expression of music but also a way for them to learn Chinese and understand the culture.
我们还是在唐朝的时候，成都呢就已经被誉为是国际的音乐之都了。
The bianzhong, cast in bronze, has a wide range and deep solemn tones. As a vital instrument in court music and dance over 2,000 years ago, it is honored as the king of Chinese instruments. As these young people strike the bells, they feel the wisdom of ancient Chinese music and the solemn ritual spirit.
Comes to my mind an integration between the xylophone, which is from Mexico, and also this new instrument from China. I bet that we can merge something together and create new music.
For me, it was a really unique experience to try and play a Chinese traditional instrument. So I think it helps me understand more about the Chinese music and its tradition.
And they worked in groups to sing the Chinese folk song Mo Li Hua, soaking themselves in the beauty found in the blending of language and music through ancient melodies. Through learning and practice, they transformed simple music into a bridge for learning Chinese and connecting with Chinese culture.
在马达加斯加的时候已经弹过古筝，就是掌握那种乐器，对我们马达加斯加人来说很难。就比如说我们8点开始上课，我7点就去孔院练习古筝，每天练1个多小时。我通过音乐来练习我的中文，来提高我的中文水平，所以这个就是我的 motivation。
Yeah, I think it's a peaceful one since it deals with nature because it talks about some kind of flower and showing those images like how the flower looks like and all those things. It gives me that sense of connection with nature. That particular song like this, there's some kind of relation to some kind of Chinese character indicating that peaceful nature of Chinese characters and people who are, or Chinese people in general. So to me, I think it's also a way of teaching me to learn from these characters. That if these people were peaceful, then why can't I also be peaceful? I have to learn from their good examples and why they have been associated with peace and that kind of natural, sense of humanity. So I think it's best for me to also learn from such things and not just hearing them and listening to them.
Yeah, well, I am writing down the pinyin because it's easier for us to read it this way and sing. All my friends have been helping me a lot to learn Chinese. There's a lot of different levels of Chinese, so they really help me a lot to understand it better.
About all events like there in the summer camp, people from different countries, we speak different languages, but the Chinese language unites us in one group.
Every day in Chengdu, the youth came closer together through music in Chinese, experiencing the true essence of friendship by resonating with each other's culture. They witnessed the power of music to transcend borders, turning this spirit of peace and friendship into lifelong memories.